Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Smartsheet after password reset, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Smartsheet website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Smartsheet homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to direct you to the login page. On the login page, you will see a field for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Smartsheet account. Next, locate the password field below the email address. Since you've recently reset your password, enter the new password you created. If you've forgotten the password or are having trouble remembering it, click on the Forgot Password link. Check your email for a password reset link if you chose this option. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password if needed. After entering your email and new password, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Smartsheet dashboard. In case of any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you continue to experience issues, consider clicking the Help link for additional support. Now you are successfully logged into Smartsheet. Explore your projects and make the most of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.